need one strap, and then make sure it is fully extended. And you're just going to wrap it around and hook it. This is what it'll look like. If your bra strap is not long enough, you can also use a shoelace. This will feed through the little clasp area, knot it, and you can extend it, or you can take two of the straps and then just tie them behind your neck depending on your top. This is what it looks like under a top. You can't see the strap at all, and it's not digging in or uncomfortable. In the last video, I showed you guys how to make a strapless by just crossing over the straps on top, but another option to keep your strapless up is take one strap, hook it in the back, extend it fully, can wrap it under, and then you connect it back here, and the strap will just sit under the underwire here. You can hook it right over the underwire too, and it helps the bra to stay up. If you're wearing a low-cut dress, I'm going to show you a couple different options. The first, attach the straps to the back band, fully extend them, so it looks like this. So what you're going to do is don't clasp the band, just use the straps, crisscross it behind you, and then you can tie this at your waist. You can tuck this into your shapewear if you're wearing any. This is great for a low cut top, or if you're wearing shapewear, because this can just tuck into the waistband and like this. If you have an open back or you can't do that strap trick, what you can do is fold your band in half. I just have it tucked in, and then I use body tape to tape it. It's very similar to those kind of sticky bras that have like the sticky stuff right there, but that falls off so easily if you're sweating. So this is definitely a better option. Just use body tape and stick the bra, and then you have a fully open back. 3 more options for an open back dress. You can take an old strapless bra, cut about half of this band off, and then just sew this into the inside of your dress. You can use a bra insert and use fashion tape to stick it to yourself before putting on the dress, or you can use body tape, which I have videos on, same with nipple covers and petals. They're all in the Hot Girl Summer series playlist. You guys can check those out.
Does your bra keep peeking out from your top? Here's how to fix it. Put some fabric tape between your bra and your top. This way your top doesn't keep falling down like your old sugar daddy. This hack will work with any bra. Everything linked in my bio.
How to wear backless tops that tie with a bra. You could go braless, but some of us just need that extra support. So first you're going to unclasp your bra straps, pull them forward. This is what it should look like. Clasp those two straps together, tighten it, and pull it around your neck. Depending on the top, this can be good enough, but for me, I needed to take my bra band off, safety pin the bra band to the ties. Once the safety pins are in place, you should be able to tie your top normally. Tuck in any pieces that are sticking out, but the bow should cover it. Tag a friend who needs this. Thanks for watching and follow for more.